In 1964, this house sold for $22,000. In 2011, it sold for $168,000. Today, this house would get multiple offers and go over ask, and I bet you would sell for about $575. In 2005, this house right back here was selling for $128,000. In the middle of the pandemic, everybody was freaking out. You couldn't give this house away. But a year later, this house right here would sell for about $380,000. In 1999, this house was going for about $150,000. Right in the middle of the pandemic, it sold for about $280,000, and we recently closed on it for $400,000. In 2030, I bet you this property will go for $590,000. Talk to any old timer and they will tell you real estate is the best hedge against inflation, and over time it will continue to go up. Never sell. The best hold period is forever. So make sure you think long term and buy as many great real estate assets as you can. Buy below value and do not get over leveraged.